Many years ago, when the future was bright, the church had a decision that they had to make. The harvest was a boomin' and the field was white. Everywhere was building up new wards and stakes. New wards and stakes. It was pretty great. But growing brought some problems, logistical in nature. Lots of sacred doctrines, subject to conflature. Hard to keep it running when you grow so fast. And what about the funny business in our past? Now you tell me, honey, just what would you do if such a conundrum came to you? Relation to protect against apostasy. Just ignore the stuff that might seem rough, like Joseph Smith's polygamy. Correlation, cause complex theology is lame when you can dumb it down in every town so that every service is the same. The church we belong to is grand, even though the things they publish are bland. So when we say, hey, all meetings in one day, we're saying we're in need of some standardization. Correlation's the way. Correlation, where each Monday night is FHE, and Dad doesn't shirk coming home from work to help Mom with genealogy. Correlation, where sharing doubts just doesn't fly, and where every hour's run by priesthood power, which is really great if you're a guy. And if you don't ever know what to do, just go pick up a manual or two. Cause when we say only white shirts on Sunday, we're saying we could use some homogenization. Correlation's the way. And if you say, hey, there is a better way, remember that we're your only way to salvation. So shut up and obey.